Why do some people effortlessly stick to habits while others give up after a week? The answer lies in your brain, and it's not what you think. Asterisk. We've all been there, starting a new habit, feeling motivated, only to quit when life gets busy. Sound familiar? Asterisk. Here's the twist: habits aren't about willpower, they're about wiring your brain. The basal ganglia, a tiny part of your brain, controls automatic behaviors. It's like your habit autopilot. Asterisk. The secret? Pair your habit with a cue and a reward. For example, if you want to start running, leave your shoes by the door, cue, and reward yourself with a smoothie afterward. Repeat this, and your brain rewires itself. Asterisk. What if I told you that small habits, done daily, can reprogram your brain faster than you think? Science shows it takes just 21 days of consistency to create lasting change. Asterisk. Ready to rewire your brain? Start small, stay consistent, and let your habits work for you. Hit like if you're ready to build habits that stick. Asterisk.